Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I got an update on my Ace hardware store fiasco thing here. And quite honestly, I bought this, and it actually came with this right here and this tip right here. And I blew everything out, just could not get it working. I put a different hose on it right here because I needed a wobbly hose anyways. Cleaned this out. This was an old one I had off of a different one, but I blew it all out, cleaned everything out, blew this out, cleaned it out. And I don't know if there was dirt somewhere stuck in one of these things or what, but I finally was able to get this working. Now I will say, if you're like me and you need the flexible hose on here, I actually had to take a 5/32 drill, and actually I started with some files, and I by hand kind of used the drill for a while. I used, I think, a smaller drill than this, and just kind of what I could actually turn by hand and file out and stuff, making sure I kept it upside down so I didn't drip anything into here and clog it up even worse. But anyways, finally I took a drill bit, actually put it in a drill, and was able to drill this out 5/32, and I still had trouble getting this in here. I finally kind of wiggled it in, and I did file this out, so hopefully it won't wear down on the hose. I'll have to keep an eye on it. But anyway, this is the smallest one I could find that would fit in here, and it's still, I had to modify this to get this in here. So if you're looking for a small one that you want to modify some sort of hose like this, I even went and actually bought the Harbor Freight one of these, and it had two ends that were like this size on it, so it wouldn't even try and go through there. So anyhow, I was able to finally squeeze enough grease out of some of these, fill this thing up, and actually get some grease to come out. So this is at least working. I don't know why, if it's the red and tacky Lucas oil stuff that was having a problem, or if it was this was clogged up with something. I don't know, but it's working now. Thought I should tell y'all. Still not going to go back to that Ace. I will go to a different Ace if I absolutely have to go to an Ace. But I thought I'd just give you a little bit of an update anyhow. And one other thing, I was looking around for a good deal on these. Looked on Amazon, couldn't find any good deals. Kind of looked everywhere, couldn't find any good deals. Finally, I actually saw there was an ad for the Harbor Freight, and these were actually on sale. I got them for like $6, all three of them for like $6 and something. If I can figure it out, I'll put a price in the screen, but regularly they're only like $8 something for three. So, and they're the Stay Lube. They used to be well known and good. They're CRC brand, so for all intents and purposes this should be pretty good grease. It's marine and boat grease. I think this will work good for my razor here. Anyhow, they also had the graphite kind, but I just chose the marine grease that I picked up here from my razor. Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.